Are you born in the year of the pig? Physical, vitality, spiritual evolution, those are the things coming for you in 2023. Stay until the end of the video. Welcome back. Thank you for staying. If you are born in the year of the pig, this year is a very nice year for you. I'm going to show you exactly which stars are coming in 2023, and you can take advantage, you can activate them, you can enjoy 2023 knowing what frequency is on your space. So these are the stars visiting the pig in 2023. The first one is called Heavenly Chef. Heavenly Chef talks about enjoying your life, enjoying the flowers, smelling the flowers, enjoying your family, your friends, traveling, planning time to self-development. The next star, it talks about the 80. It talks about spiritual evolution, connecting with your spirituality, with your higher self. So with these two stars, looks like it's a great year for you to take on some courses for spiritual growth, spiritual development, maybe do some retreats, maybe try to plan some time to work on your personal self, because you have three stars that are not so positive in the emotional self. The white tiger is an aggressive star, so you're going to have a lot of vitality, a lot of energy. Then you have the god blade. The god blade talks about communicating and talking with your high energy vibration. So that combination gives you a lot of energy and the potential to become argumentative. So it's a great year to work hard in your self-development so you don't become negative with the energy of the white tiger. Because you also have another star called backpocketing. So it's gossiping, betrayers, people talking in your back, wherever you're working. If you're working in an office environment, those are three stars that you need to regulate and focus more in your positive vibration. So don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how at the end of the video, how to activate them. I'm going to show you then how to plot your Bazi chart. If you're watching this video, I'm assuming you saw the pig on your year of birth, but you may have it in other pillars. So don't worry, I'm going to show you. So you may have the pig in the year and the month and the day and the hour, right? And then use my link pin on the comment section. Use the year, month, day, and hour birth, and that's it. Then you're ready to learn everything about the pig. So energy is a frequency, it's a vibration, and yet you have to activate, balance, and connect with to have a great year. So when these energies come to our space of existence, whether it's positive or negative, they're impacting us, the spirit, because we are spirits having a human experience. So this energy will come, affect the personality, the person physically. It will affect the spirit, the soul, the vibrational energy, the aura, the way we sense things, the way we react, and the way we take action. So the only way that we can protect ourselves and be aware and mindful is to awareness, consciousness, knowing what is coming so we can prepare, prime ourselves. What is priming? Priming is preparing, getting the right skills, getting the right places, getting the right mentors. We can prepare ourselves through incantations, visualizations, prayers, mantras, anything that you practice that help the self, that help you grow emotionally, mentally, physically, spiritually, and to support you actions in a positive way. You can also activate the home, the Feng Shui of your home, having the right setup for your Feng Shui, being on the right environment with the right people, and with the right mindset and ready to take action when the opportunities come in, because this is vibrational, this is a frequency, but we have to align ourselves. So it's no point knowing about the stars and not using them and activate them with the right action. So I'm going to show you how. Okay, so you may have the pig on the year pillar. That's the year that you're born, right? So if you have the pig in the year pillar, this year maybe you may take class. If you have a job that you need to learn how to sell, the God blade is a great start to have, because selling takes courage. It takes a communication skill. So you can take a course how to sell, to activate that energy in a positive way. You also have the white tiger, and the white tiger is courage, is high vibrational energy. So selling takes courage, or learning how to talk in public, how to sell, how to be lifting for other people, motivating. So if you are in an industry that requires skill set, has communicating, having courage, speaking, taking a course in how to sell, I think it's a great way to use the gold blade, because you have that extra energy, that high vibrational physical and mentally energy. So you can connect with that star if that's something that you need at work. Otherwise, if you are working in an environment that needs a lot of courage, this year, connect with that courage. Do whatever it takes to help you. Communicate, learn how to sharpen your words, how to say the right things, not how to fight, because the God blade is a courageous and a star that can be in a vibrational low vibrational frequency. So if you channel that energy into high vibrational energy, your words can be very influential at your work, with your friends, with the people outside, maybe overseas, and so on. If you have the pig in the month, then you do the same thing, activate the stars in a positive way. How? So, like I said, if you are in a position that you need to communicate or sell or have courage, learn how to sell, learn how to have courage, and be a little bit patient, because the white tiger is very impatient. So work in your patience. Be very focus-minded on yourself, awareness, because you're going to have a lot of aggressive energy this way. So stay away from drama at work, stay away from drama with friends, stay away from saying the wrong things to the wrong person at the wrong time, right? So always say less than you actually can to avoid conflicts. Work on your communication is very important this year. If you have the pig on your day pillar, then it's time to control your communication with your spouse, because that's the palace of the spouse. So it's courageous, it's communication skills, and it's also a way to connect with your spouse in a deeper level, in the soul level, through bonding. If you have a spouse, if you have a partner, of course. If you're single, then this is a year for you to learn how to charm, learn how to talk to the opposite gender, and learn how to have courage to express your feelings. And if you are in a relationship, then work on your communication, work on your patience, do maybe some exercise or meditation, or find a way to be calm when conflicts arise, because you're going to have a lot of aggressive energy this year. And living with another person, connecting with other people in relationships can be very dramatic. So it's important for you to learn how to do this year. especially if you have the pig on the day pillar, okay? And if you have the pig in the hour, then this is the year for you to learn how to communicate with people that is younger than you, or people that irritate you, because they are in experts. They are younger, they have less experience than you at work, for example, or with your children. If you have employees, if you have students, if you have people that look up to you, then there may be the tendency that they will be gossiping and talking on your back. So try to disconnect from that and try to find a way to be a better leader, to communicate better, to have more patience. If that's something that is important for you at work, for example, right? And like I said, with your children, just calm yourself and have patience, because the white tiger is very courageous. So take time off if you are having difficulties, if you are stressed. Find time to calm your spirit, because the spirit this year is very aggressive. So find a way to decompress from work, from life, from your family life. Find time for your own, do some exercise, do whatever it takes to release the energy, the aggressive energy, channel your energy in a constructive way, maybe creating something new, maybe working in something that you started before, things like that, okay? So you don't get too much in your head and your emotions. So master your emotions. That is the best way to deactivate and activate the stars this year, okay? Work a lot on your self-discovery, in your spiritual and mindset, in your intuition, in your higher self. Connect with your God, with your source of light, because you have the star that is connected to wisdom, to spirituality. So take advantage, because it's only 1 year. So those are the things that you can do this year. And I'm going to show you then how to apply the Feng Shui on your home. So draw your floor plan, download the guide that is free for you in there, download the template, watch the videos how to apply the Feng Shui. I'm going to show you exactly how to activate it, okay? So wherever you go on, in anywhere, not just in the home that you are right now, but anywhere you go, you're gonna find the pig in the same location, okay? So don't worry about it. You're gonna find the pig, maybe wherever you go, you're going to find the pig in the northwest, right? Everywhere you go, doesn't matter how big or small is the apartment, the northwest always be the location for the northwest tree. So make sure that the high vibrational energy is there. There's no storage room, there is no a missing sector, there's no garbage there, there's no renovations on the wrong day, because in Feng Shui we have renovations, and selecting dates to renovate, to break walls, is something that we take very seriously, because we know that the sectors have all kind of connections with the people in the house. So it's important that we don't destroy the energy of the person, because this is personal Feng Shui. And whatever is happening to that palace, that sector in your home, is essentially happening internally, energetically to you. So use the sector to work, to meditate, maybe just an energy that is fluent in there. You can open the window, the door, if you have one. If not, then make sure that that space is healthy, okay? It's very, very important. This is a micro application of Feng Shui. It's very advanced application of Feng Shui, and it's very, very powerful. So take it seriously, because it is. And I'm gonna show you one more time the energies that we're going to activate with the meditations that I have created this year for all of the animal signs. So you can watch them anytime you want. If you really like this video, please share, subscribe, follow me in any of my other platforms. Leave me a question, ask me anything. Let me know where's your pig, for example. Remember, you may have different animals on your Bazi natal chart, so you may watch other videos, listen to other activations for connecting with the energies and so on. So it's not just the pig, right? So this year I designed the activations with binaural sound because 95% of our actions are influenced through our unconscious level of the mind. So by the alpha meditation, we access fast to the alpha level of the mind and activate the great energies for 2023. So make sure you listen to them. You can do that every day or every month or every week or whenever you need to activate the energies, to be conscious about what's going on, whenever you need, whenever you want. You can actually make your own, but these ones are very powerful with the binaural sound. So enjoy. I hope that you like it. Stay connected. Please share and remember to be the light the world needs to see. And I'll see you in my next video.